Good afternoon. I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. I'm here checking in at the end of my first week on my new healthy lifestyle. I'd like to think of keto not as a crash diet for me, but as a lifestyle. I'm not trying to just quickly lose 20 pounds and go back to life as normal. I'm trying to find a lifestyle that works for me that I can stick with for the rest of my life, and I'm excited that this may be it. As you guys know from watching my other videos, or if you don't, you should watch them. I am a busy mom. You can see right now I'm waiting to pick up the kids from school. I work 40 hours a week as a marketing director. I'm finishing my bachelor's degree in marketing, and I have a husband, 2 young children, one of whom has high-functioning autism, so the amount of time that I have for free time is pretty minimal. But here I am, and you'll have to forgive me. I'm getting over a migraine today. It's funny, I just gave my testimony how I haven't had a migraine since October, since I started going to the doctor. It's back. It's okay. So I'm busy, just like you guys. I know we all have different stories, but you have your story about how you're busy and why you're too busy to eat properly. And that's why I'm here. The first week's been a crazy success. I have lost 10 pounds. Mind you, a lot of that is water weight. But that being said, can you imagine how bloated and just uncomfortable life is with that much water weight? That's insane. This has been what's gotten me through the week. Can you see this? My Little Pony lunchbox. As a marketing executive, I can only stand for the most professional, and here it is. The key to surviving keto or any lifestyle change is being prepared. So I have to say to myself, what am I going to have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like in real life, and what do I need to prepare myself for it? So breakfast, I had eggs a few times. They're fine. Not my favorite. And a lot of mornings don't have time for eggs. I'm looking at things like muffins and pancakes that I can make that are keto friendly, that I can warm up in the morning. That's a possibility. But honestly, my breakfast has been a ham and cheese roll up. I take 3 slices of ham, half a slice of cheese, roll it up, put in a little Ziploc bag right in here. I'll do that. I do an ounce of almonds and a cheese stick. And it's great. I will have my coffee with a teaspoon to tablespoon, depending on how big the coffee is, of extra virgin coconut oil. I started off with butter, but I have no gallbladder, so I have to be careful about how much animal fat I consume. So I found that coconut oil works better for me. So I have that and heavy cream in my coffee. I then am not tragically hungry, and I'm actually trying not to eat if I don't feel hungry. The other day I actually threw away eggs because I made them. I made enough for my son and myself and realized I'm not hungry. And I would rather throw the eggs away than eat when I'm not hungry, because that's what we're working on doing here. So I packed my lunch I packed my breakfast, and I went to work and I started in on the emails, and by about 10 o'clock I was hungry. So I had my little roll-ups. I was delighted. A little while later I had my almonds. I roasted my own almonds at home. It is so easy. Literally, whip up 1 egg, toss your almonds in there, toss whatever your flavoring is in there, whether it's sweetener, salt, pepper, vinegar, toss it all. It's great. It's wonderful. You can find some great recipes on Pinterest, and if I can, I'll try to link some for you, but it's been great. So I have those, and I have water. You need a good water bottle. I have a Princess water bottle. This is because you need something that you love, and I'm a queen, so I need a Princess water bottle. And then sometimes what I put in there is called Zipfizz. This Zipfizz is 2 carbs, and with those 2 carbs you get vitamin A, C, E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B, foliate, vitamin B12, calcium, magnesium, zinc, copper, potassium, sodium, all kinds of good stuff. So in an attempt to get over my keto hangovers, I've been having this. In an attempt to stay hydrated on good stuff, I've been having this, and because it's just really delicious. I got this from Costco. I got like 30 of them for $30. It was a really great deal. So I'll have that, and then lunch, usually a little side salad, no croutons or any of that, with our grilled chicken, and avocado ranch dressing at Chick-fil-A is delightful. And then I'm on my way. I can have my cheese stick after lunch before I make it home for dinner, and it makes for a really easy day on the run. Then, of course, when I get home for dinner, I have a freezer full of already prepared meals in case I don't have time to cook. But if I do have time to cook, then I do. So like tonight, we're going to have breakfast for dinner. I'm going to make some keto pancakes, some bacon, some eggs. It's going to be great. So I just wanted to give you some words of encouragement. I'm sorry that this video is longer than normal, but one week in, very busy mom. I've been very successful. I feel great. Like, I just feel so much more confident. Like, I am in control of this. My food no longer controls me. I control my food. And that makes it all worth it. So I will check back in later and provide you with hopefully some more helpful hints and tips. Try to keep those videos short for you. Have an awesome Monday.